2025, I want you to know that you don't have to sacrifice time with your family for an organization that can easily replace you in a heartbeat. Imagine this instead: earning money while spending quality time with your loved ones. You've probably heard this quite a number of times and you're probably rolling your eyes already. But hear me out. This isn't one of those empty claims. This is real, actionable advice designed specifically to help you, whether you are drowning in your bills, trying to save money, you just want to have much more financial freedom. I've been there. I've been stuck. I've been overwhelmed with that pressure of trying to hold everything together when everything just seems to be falling apart. So I'm speaking from experience, and the good news is that you don't have to stay in that place. If you implement the steps I'll be sharing with you in this video, you'll see a positive shift in your finances this year. These steps are tailored specifically to moms who don't have hours to spare, who are tired of, feeling stuck, and who want to build a better future for their families and for their kids. So take a deep breath, grab a pen and a notebook, and let's discuss these actionable steps to turn your financial situation around in 2025. Your first step to financial freedom is to build the right mindset. Now, hold on. I know some of you might just be thinking, I need practical advice, not all this mindset talk. But trust me, this is where it all begins. I read somewhere, I can't remember what book, but I read somewhere that 95% of success begins with mindset and only 5% is strategy. Imagine the impact your mindset has. If your mindset isn't in the right place, it's nearly impossible to even achieve anything in the first place. You need to tell yourself you can achieve financial freedom. Yes, as simple as it sounds, it works effectively. You need to tell yourself, keep affirming this to yourself, write it down if possible, say it out loud every single day. When you write and speak your goals, it just makes it much more tangible. I mentioned this in my other video where I talked more in depth about how to attract good fortune and things like that. You may want to check that video out because I elaborated more on this mindset thing and the power the mindset can have. So the first and most important step is to believe that financial freedom is possible for you. Now, the second step is to know your numbers. Now, let's just get practical. And no, it doesn't have much to do with mathematics or anything that you can't easily calculate. I mean, you can't fix what you don't face. You need to start by writing down some things, which is, first of all, you need to know how much you spent, for example, last month, how much you earned, how much you spent, and what is left. So, for example, let's say you earn £1,000 a month and you end up spending £900 on the average. You have £100 left. What do you want to do with that money? That is that £100 I'm more concerned about today. Before we even start talking about cutting down costs here and there, how much money is usually left after you have spent what you earn? That's the amount I'm more concerned about today. And in subsequent videos, we'll talk about how to cut down costs, save more, and invest better. Which brings me to the next step, which is to start small. Start now. Financial changes don't just happen overnight, and that's fine. The important thing is to just be consistent and take manageable steps. A personal example, I used to buy this hot chocolate every day. Not every day, but every time I go to work, and it costs me £3. And then I realized I could buy the whole pack for the same price. Imagine how much I had already lost buying that hot chocolate every day. If I had saved that money or used that money to put that money to better use, it would have done me so much better than wasting that £3 on daily basis when I could actually get 10 of it in a pack. It pains me up till today knowing how much I have wasted on that hot chocolate. But I believe you get what I'm saying. You get the gist. So when I realized I could buy a pack of 10 of that hot chocolate for the same price, I started saving much more, and little changes like that add up over time. So the third thing I will talk about, is it the third or fourth now, is to surround yourself with support. The hard truth is that managing your finances alone can be really difficult. That's why you need that supportive community. Imagine being surrounded with like-minded moms who understand the struggle of raising kids while trying to build a better life for themselves, moms moms who share ideas, cheer you on and offer you that practical advice you need when you need it, which is why I have created a financial empowerment community. Not just financial, let me just call it empowerment community for moms. And in this group, we'll be sharing daily tips, we'll take on fun challenges, we'll celebrate every win, no matter how small. It's a judgment-free space where you can feel safe, feel inspired, and feel empowered. Just click the link in my description or in the pinned comments. Believe me, you would not regret joining this community. And by December 2025, you'll look back and be so grateful you took this step towards your financial freedoms. Moms, this is your year, 2025. It's your chance to rewrite your financial story. Take control and show your kids that anything at all is possible, even with taking the tiniest steps forward. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do, to join this awesome community. Do not forget to join the community that I talked about. We're going to be sharing so many enlightening stuff and you'll be so glad you joined this community. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.